Hi everyone, welcome to High Value Couponer. So I'm here with a very late Kroger ad preview for the sale that will run from December 26th through oh my gosh, are we even going to January? Yeah, January 1st. Awesome. So we're heading into 2019. This is our last sale that will go on during 2018. And it's a mega event. So we're going to end out the year with a bang. Buy five, save five. Keep in mind they can't put all the items in this ad. So my job on Wednesday will be to go through Kroger and take pictures of every participating item, which I will have up some point on Wednesday. So be on the lookout for that video. And then I'll have videos up, of course, with all the best deals. We're going to go through the ad and look at it and see what's in here. So yeah. Oh, also, it is technically Christmas Eve, even though it's 1 a.m. But it's Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve to all of you. And Merry Christmas if you don't hear from me again. You should hear from me in a Vlogmas, I think, around on Christmas or so. But if you don't watch again, Merry Christmas. So let's just dive right in. Next up, we have $5.99 a pound for the New York strip steaks, $6.99 a pound for the fresh Atlantic salmon fillets, $1.29 a pound for fresh boneless pork half loin, $2 for $5 for some blackberries. Then we have 68 cents for the avocados or mangoes. There was a 75-cent off of 3 avocado coupon that you could use. It was a printable. So it is no longer available, but if you want to utilize that, you could get a really good deal. Half gallons of milk are 77 cents each. 88 cents when you buy 4 of the Pepsi, Coke, or 7-Up 2 liters or Mountain Dew Kickstart. And then there's always the beer deals they have. Now we're just going to talk about the mega sale. We'll go through all these items first. We have Kroger cheese or Kroger cracker cuts, $4.99. Now this is the buy 5, save 5 mix and match. We have the Quaker cereal, Keebler cookies, or Capri Sun 10 packs, $1.49. We have the Tostitos Ruffles or the Tostitos Dip and salsa, $1.77. And I even saw that I had some free dip peelies, so you can really make that work and get a great deal. Check your stores or your binders. Ocean Spray Juice, Welch's Sparkling Juice, or Mott's Apple Juice, $1.49. And then we have Charmin and Bounty for $5.99. Here we have $1.99 for the Kroger Spring Water or the 32-pack water, which is phenomenal. I'm going to stock up on that. We also have the Pepsi or 7-Up, 6 packs. Some Green Mountain coffee and Monster drinks, $5.99. Post cereal, $1.99. This is a good one, 99 cents for the Classico or the Kraft dressing. $3.49 for Private Selection cheese cubes. $4.49 for Lipton or Snapple. $1.99 for Blue Diamond almond milk or the Mom's Best cereal. $1.99 for Skinny Pop, Sun Chips, or Doritos. 99 cents for Goldfish. And then you have the Simply Potatoes for $1.49. We got a $1 off 2 coupon and the 1111 Smart Source, making them 99 cents, which is a stock up price. Also, there we had $4.49 for some Hormel bacon. Alrighty, also in the Mega, $6.49 for the Bird's Eye Viola meals. I found peelies for those. $3.49 for Haagen-Dazs for Ben & Jerry's. $6.99 for Swiffer. $7.49 for Glad. $1.99 for Crest and mouthwash and toothpaste. Maybe we'll get some coupons in the P&G next week. $4.49 for TGI Fridays skins or whatever. $2.99 for I Can't Believe It's Not Butter or Brummel and Brown butter. $7.99 for Pampers diapers, $1.99 for Herbal Essence and Aussie, and $4.99 for Tide and Downy. That's all for the Mega. Hopefully we find better stuff in the store. I'm not too impressed with this, but hopefully when I do the walkthrough on Wednesday, we'll probably find way more deals to talk about. So now here they're doing a 4-day only sale, Friday through Monday with those 5 times digital coupons. Sale, we have the Coke 24 packs for $4.77, which is a phenomenal price. So we have $3.49 for the DiGiorno's and the California Pizza Kitchen and the Cooked Perfect Meatballs. There was a $1 off coupon for the Cooked Perfect Meatballs in the 12-2 Smart Source. So that would make them a pretty good deal. Here we have some Totino's Pizza Rolls for $4.99 with the digital. $1.49 for some Kroger brand breakfast sausage. And there's also $2.49 for the Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps. I'm not going to sit and read all this off. I honestly don't think there's anything here to brag about that much, but if you want these items, here you go. Nothing that thrilling. Here we just have the buy one get one free Simple Truth chicken breast is still going. And then the Laura's lean ground beef is $5.99. There's $1 off internet printable on their site you could apply. $2.49 a pound for the fresh Kroger ground beef. So that could be good for you. Sold in 5-pound rolls. And I gotta mention this. There's no free Friday again. I am wondering. Don't take this as like legit. But I'm wondering if free Fridays are going away because I don't ever remember Kroger doing something like this where we didn't have them 2 weeks in a row. So I'm wondering if Kroger's making some changes. We're gonna find that out. Something's up with them, obviously. I'm wondering if they're trying some new things. I've actually heard some new things that could potentially be happening at Kroger that we'll have to keep looking into. So maybe they're replacing Free Fridays with something else, but I didn't see it anywhere in here. So I'm going to have to do some more research and let you know. Maybe I'll find some answers, but I don't know. Hopefully, if you know anything about the Free Fridays, let me know what your thoughts are and if you think they're coming back after New Year's, maybe. I don't know. I don't remember Kroger ever doing this. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. I hope we'll probably find tons more deals on Wednesday. So come back for the walkthrough video and the matchups because there'll be unadvertised deals that they can't possibly put in this ad. They never do. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.